Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we are learning how to dictate the melody of Frog in the Middle on the staff. So let's come to the staff and give it a try. Okay, to dictate a song means to put it down on paper so we can remember it better and share it with other people, just like those monks did hundreds of years ago. For Frog in the Middle, do you remember what note it starts on in solfege? That's right, it starts on So. And if we're in the C major pentascale, So is on G. So our first note of Frog in the Middle will be right here on G. How many G's at the start of Frog in the Middle? Ba, ba, ba. If you said 3, you're correct. So we'll need to draw 3 G's. If you download the complete materials for Unit 2, you'll be able to try this yourself using paper and pencil at home. So first draw 3 G's like this, frog in the, and then what happens next? That's right, it skips down. Well, on the staff, if you skip from So down to Me, you go down to the next line. Remember, there is a space note in between, but So to Me is a skip. So we go from this G line down to the next line down, which is E. G, 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 E, E. Or if we sing it in solfege, it would be So, 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 Me, Me. Now, can you sing the solfege for the next phrase? After ba, 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 ba. Now sing the solfege for me of the next phrase. If you sang So, 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 Me, you're correct, which would be So, 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 Me. And these purple notes make frog in the sea. Now, can you point to the notes we've dictated and sing it in solfege? Point with me and sing. Ready, go. So, 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 me, me, so, 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 me. Good job. Now, let's dictate the next part of Frog in the Middle. Can you sing the next phrase in solfege for me? Go. That's right, it's just like the first phrase. So, 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 me, me. And then it ends with 3 do's. Do, do, do. Well, if we want to skip below Me down to Do, we're going to need a ledger line. Because remember, whenever we go off the staff, we have to use a ledger line. So let's add 3 ledger lines and 3 note heads for Do, Do, Do. Now, can you point and sing the solfege of this for me? Ready? Try it with me. Go. So, 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 me, me, do, do, do. Good job. Now let's try singing the whole song together in solfege while we point to it. Point with me and sing the solfege. Ready? Go. So, 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 me, me, so, 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 me. So, 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 me, me, do, do, do. This time, let's sing the letter names. We start on the G line, so we'll sing G for this note, and then when we skip down, we'll be on E. Then when we go down to the ledger lines, we'll be on a C. Ready? Point and sing the letters with me. Ready? Go. G, 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 E, E, G, 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 E, G, 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 E, E, C, C, C. Good job. Now we've dictated the melody of Frog in the Middle. Great job today learning how to dictate Frog in the Middle on the staff. From our website, if you download the complete materials for Unit 2, you can practice drawing the notes yourself on the staff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Croak, 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 croak. Croak, 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 croak.